We are here at the home of Clifford E in Thornton, Colorado, where we will be replacing a 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Currently, this water heater is tucked in behind a furnace. We will be removing and hauling away the old water heater. We'll also have to remove this gas line drop that's coming down serving the furnace and water heater to allow for the water heater to be removed. We'll then reinstall the gas line. We also have a tap that is serving the humidifier. As you can see, a lot of corrosion on that saddle valve. We'll be replacing that saddle valve as well as the ball valve going into the water heater. Also installing an expansion tank on the water heater. Also, we have two SharkBite 90s that are feeding over to a water softener, which is tucked back behind the furnace. We'll be disconnecting and hauling away that water softener as well as the salt tank and the brine tank and water filter. This water heater room is approximately 21 feet by 15 feet, not including this little area that's tucked back behind an unfinished area here, and that small room that's housing the water filter and water softener. The requirements for combustion air for this 40,000 BTU water heater is 2,000 cubic feet of air. Since this furnace is piped out by itself, it does not require any combustion air coming in out of this room. This room provides for roughly 2,700 cubic feet of air, which is enough cubic air that we do not need to bring combustion air in from outside.